jolly lads, I'm glad to find you well. If you gather all around me now, me story I will tell. For I've got a situation and we got a handy job. I can whisper I've a weekly wage of 19 bob. It's 12 months come October since I left me native home, after helping in Killarney boys to bring the harvest down. But now I wear a gansy and around me waist a belt. I'm the gaffer of the squad that makes the hot ash belt. But we laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flat, and it doesn't last forever, sure I swear I laid me hat. But I wandered up and down the world, but sure I never felt any surface that was equal to the hot ash belt. The other night a copper comes and says to me, McGuire, won't you kindly let me light me pipe down at your boiler fire? Well, he planks himself right down by me with hobnails up so neat. Says I, me Jason man, you better go and mind your beat. He ups and yells, I'm down on you and I'm up to all your pranks. Don't I know you for a traitor from the Tipperary ranks? Boys, I hit straight from the shoulder and I gave him such a belt that I knocked him into the boiler full of the hot ash belt. Well, we laid it in the hollows and we laid it in